In this video, we will show you how to create a setup file. This setup file, including your setup data, can then either be sent via JD-Link Connect and wireless data transfer or uploaded from a USB stick to the machine display. To create a setup file, click on the Tools bar. Open the Setup Builder. Here you have the choice between Start a new file or Use recent file. To create a new setup file, click on Start a new file. Choose the type of operation you'll be doing, and then simply click on Get started. The system will automatically start the Setup Builder. Now you have to select a product. This can be selected out of your existing product list via the search box or can be added new. The machine list. Here you always need to select the machine as well as an implement or a header. One or more fields. And an operator. To create the file, you have to give it a profile name. After that, you have to select the display on which you want to use this file or choose all display formats. Now you simply have to click on Create File. The system will tell you that the file has been successfully created. Click on OK. Once you click here on Refresh, the newly created setup file will appear in the Setup File Downloads list and can be sent to the machine with wireless data transfer or uploaded on the display with a USB stick. The file is now also available in the toolbar under the File icon. To find out how you can send the file, watch the video How to Send Files.